Hello everyone. Yeah, this is Blazin halal chicken and gyro.
You get one mixed platter. You want that really hot one?
Yeah.
You add it hot and actually hot and wet.
And give me water.
Wouldn't have also wet. You can buy from
Yeah, this is located at Tyson station, just beside the Trader Joe's complex. Yeah, today we are trying a chicken platter, and second one is the different one. Yeah, the food is very tasty. Thank you. Thanks for supporting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to follow me. Thank you. Thanks for your support.